This video is brought to you by Ollie Skate Shop. How's it going, guys? My name is SideZwipe, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to change your wheels and your bearings on quad roller skates. You're going to need a wrench, a 12 to 13 millimeter socket depending on the size of your axle nuts. These sizes may vary. If you don't have a wrench and a set of sockets, then you can use a skate tool or a spanner. They will work just as well. A screwdriver or a bearing puller to take out the bearings, an Allen key as seen here to push the bearing in or to take the bearing out, and of course your new wheels and your new bearings. Begin by placing your skate tool or socket onto the wheel you want to take off, turning it to the left to loosen the bolt off the wheel. Now take your wheel off the truck. Remove your bearing using a bearing puller or Allen key if you want to reuse your spacer. Now get to your new wheel and place the new bearing on the back of the wheel. Make sure your bearing is facing the correct way. Now push the bearing in with an Allen key or a screwdriver. Then place your spacer in the middle of your new wheel and take the new bearing and put it into your wheel with your Allen key or screwdriver. Make sure that your bearings are in correctly and they're not going to fall out. Also, make sure that your spacer lines up with both of your bearings. You can do this by putting an Allen key in between your wheel. Now take your new wheel and place it onto your truck. Put the nut onto the truck and begin tightening up the bolt using your skate tool or socket, turning it to the right to tighten it. Once the new wheel is on the skate, make adjustments where possible. If it is too loose, tighten it up. If it is too tight, loosen it. Once you are happy with how the wheel spins, repeat this method for your other wheels and your other skate. Anyway guys, I hope that you have enjoyed today's video. That was how to change your wheels and your bearings on quad roller skates. Of course, if you could leave a like rating down below, that would be greatly appreciated if you did find this useful. And of course, comment down below any thoughts and questions that you might have on today's video. And of course, if you are new around here, subscribe. And if you guys are fancy buying yourself a new pair of skates, some wheels, accessories and more, go and check out Ollie Skate Shop. The link is in the description. Anyway guys, my name is SideZwipe. Keep rolling and I'll catch you later.